Good morning, everybody. Morning, morning. Hello, YouTube. Hello, Kick. Hello, Twitch. How we doing this morning? Hope you are looking after yourselves. Hope you had a good day yesterday. What's today? Monday? I think it's Monday today. Yeah, I think it's Monday today. Also, if you didn't know, we should be getting our books for the Lord of the Rings series this week. This week it should be on like Donkey Kong, alright? Should be on like Donkey Kong, chat. So I'm pretty excited to have a bit of a reading stream. Something I've never done before is openly want to read. What's up, Snail? What's up, Snowy? How you beautiful peeps doing? Hope you're looking after yourselves. Good to see you again. Sorry I took long. I was doing my skincare routine. Oh, I'll leave this carving over here. Let me just go and get the second one because we'll be swapping, doing two different carvings today. Oh, maybe not today. I've got to find my Ross. Not much, brother. Just streaming. Oh, nice. What did you get up to on your stream, my bro? Yeah, I was a bit late with baby last night. I was just watching me K-dramas, you know, my Korean dramas. And watching a little bit of automotive on YouTube. I've been getting into the RWB Porsche, the culture of it all. Camo grinding. How long do camo grinds take, my bro? I know it can be quite a grindy process. Yo, real Mr. Matsy, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother, getting us started for the day. I forgot to restart our sub goal, but hey, it's all good. It is all good. Happy to be back on. Yeah, I ended up, me and my wife ended up taking our girls to her side of the family for the rest of the holidays, so it's just going to be, there's going to be a lot of wood carving, and then I have to drop my wife off there on Thursday and then come home, and then the rest of the week it's just going to be us streaming, okay? What's up, Sith Lord? How are you? I may have jumped on Hunter Call of the Wild last night to have a bit of a run. Got a stag last night. I've become very invested in that game. I'm gonna get the dog pack today. So we got a dog for tracking. Taking out rabbits with a revolver. Yeah, I gotta figure out ways to entice people to clip more. Try and get some clips out of it, because that was actually fun, eh? Even though we were tracking half the time, it was pretty fun. Just waiting for this coffee, man. I think I need to get stronger bullets as well, and then the rifle should be good. From Sweden. Oh, much love for all the way in Sweden, brother. One of my good bros, he's a rapper. He's from Sweden as well. Were you able to accept the gift? I'll have a look today. I forgot all about it. Yo, what's up, Spam Can Chode? A fellow Sea Eagle up in the kick chat. How you doing, my brother? Hope you're having a good afternoon, my bro. Yeah, so his name's Lil Cap. I think he goes by Cap now. He's on Spotify too. Yeah, Lil Cap's his name. Oh, camera's a bit shotty, eh? Is it? Moving around, moving around. I'm a blur, I'm a blur. Okay, it should be all good. Hey, you spam. Thank you very much for joining our kick stream, brother, helping us out. Yeah, we're at about 180 unique chatters on our partner stuff, and then we have to figure out a way to get 25 subs and 75 viewers consistently in order to finish off the partner stuff. Very clear? Oh yeah, all good. Yeah, so I met the bro Cap, who's a rapper from Sweden, through GTA RP. Obviously, he's stopped playing GTA now to focus more on his music, but I think he's doing quite well. I haven't been able to catch up with him. CAP, Lil Cap. Oh yeah. Did you ever watch K-drama series Newtopia? Ooh, is this a fellow K-drama enjoyer? No, I just started watching K-drama with my wife last week. We've been watching I forget the name of it. It's on my phone. It's about a girl from South Korea and a guy from North Korea, and they get together, obviously, through the series. We're about like 2 episodes left. So there's a corrupt general that took out his brother, who was a general in the army for the North, and their dad's like a high-ranking general as well. And the low general's trying to take the dad's job, and he's been doing a lot of shady shit, and he's trying to, he got away from his trial, and he's going to try and clap the love interest. I forget the name of it. He made rags to riches. Yeah, my bro, that's him. What's the name? Let me get my phone, because I want you to watch it too. The K-drama is called Crash Landing on You. Is it cold? Yeah, we're in winter right now. Yeah, the K-drama is called Crash Landing on You. Should not romance comedy. Yeah, my wife chose it. I was like, I'm not going to get into that. And then after a while, I started watching a few episodes. And I was like, ooh, what happened to him? It was quite funny. But yeah, we're on the last 2 episodes, and we're gonna finish it off today. Hey, morning, my bro. The weekend is going good, my bro. Oh, went good. Just dropped the girls off at my father and mother-in-law's house, and they're spending the rest of the holidays there. Before they come home for school, ready to attack school next week. Man, these school holidays went by fast. Oh, we are choppy a little bit, don't we? Gonna check it out. Hey, all good, man. Yeah, it's so she goes paragliding, and somehow a tornado comes out of nowhere, and the tornado picks her up and throws her into North Korea. And she lands on a soldier who becomes, the love interest down the line. What do we have to look forward to? So we're going to be carrying on with some design work today. This here So I've been cutting out all these notches, opening them up, so you can see some of them are still quite closed. So opening them up to get an emphasis on the middle section there. Get all of that out. Smash all of that out, and then once that's done, we turn it over and do the other side. But we're going to do the opposite and do the inside of the hook. So, Mary Morena, when we playing D&D, when's the next day? I need is it a short campaign? I can probably do one this week because the kids have gone to their nan and koros. Your work is amazing. Oh, thank you, brother. You've been doing any voice acting, my bro? Yeah, so that K-drama is a bit of a romance one. We'll live stream it? Oh, yo, okay. I went to Auckland to do some. Oh, nice. I'd go and do some, but fuck, that travelling is just... Gas is just too expensive right now. Yeah, gas is just way too bloody expensive. Been in bed watching your cousin serious back pain, and I can't wait, so this is relaxing to me. Oh, bro, when I have back pain, brother, I sleep on the ground, eh? I gotta have like a hard surface. Hold up, first one of the day. Jen reckons paid voice act mahi with more. No more wreck the voice for free. Yeah, I feel that. How was Jin? Wow, yeah, he's busy, yes. Normally when we start the stream, I gotta have a coffee first just so I get warm. I guess it doesn't help that I'm wearing shorts today. Yeah. I like a snail, yeah, bro. The head back, the shoulders back, eh? I feel your pain, my brother. But all free drinks far out actuals. That's crazy. It's a bit like sounds a bit like BlizzCon or Blizzard HQ. So like free everything. Morning, Edwin. 4:22 a.m. Hey, I went to bed at 4 o'clock this morning. Whilst making sure baby had a good sleep while she's sick. Where's it? West Auckland, is the office? Yeah, we were planning a trip up to Auckland for our kids, just to do a little something for them. If the money matches the effort. Oh, yeah. How much is 70, eh? 70 bucks a voice or a monster? What's up, Kalora? Is it Kalora? Sorry. I should really put my phone on too. Alright. Needing a dog sitter ASAP. Oh, my brother needs a dog sitter. Yeah, sorry, bro. I got 3 kids. That's more than enough work. 80 per character. Should take 30 minutes per. Oh, nice. How much did you do, bro? Surely 5. Imagine that, eh? That's mean. That's actually on. Hold on. Lasted 10 minutes before my voice. Oh, yeah, fair enough, fair enough. Hey, what's up, Mia? Eat bulldog. I actually want to get me some more bulldog noodles, eh? I ain't gonna lie. I really like the pink ones. The pink ones are my favorite. But that's because we did the TikTok recipe. Oh, it's fresh as though. No training, had no idea. Yo, that's mean, bro. So is that just purely monsters and no, like, characters with no voice lines? Because you gotta do the stuff with the idled movements too, eh? From what I remember the bro say. Pretty much. Oh, okay. Sure. Oh, man. I think my back should be okay today. I found some, Yo, Kota Kyle, thank you very much for the 10 roses, brother. Good morning, TikTok. How we doing? Good to see you all. Big money for actual dialogue. True. How much? Are you allowed to tell? Sorry, I'm just nosy. But that would be some, like, top tier voice actors, eh? No woodworking today? Oh, I just started pretty much. We're about to do some Whakairo today, though. Have no fear, we are wood carving today. Normally when I start my stream, I at least try and have a coffee first so I get warm. They get proper actors in? Yeah, fair enough. Fully understand that. I'm doing good, RH. How are you, brother? Is it RH Zombie? Not the bro, he's keen to give it a jam. Is that Martin? Hey, what's up, 75er? Over on Kick? Check my bro. Thank you very much to Zeekster for the finger heart on TikTok. Good to see you doing good, cuz. Hey, cheers, 75er. Yeah, just multi-streaming more these days. Trying to build my community on Kick as well. So we're live on pretty much most of the platforms that I use. I just don't have a Facebook. That's about it. Cheers, brother. Nicholas DBK. Much love, brother. What's up, Shades Dub? Vulcan, hello. Hey, are you a son of Vulcan, near Vulcan? Morena, Andrew. Tēnā koe. Just jumped in to give some aroha before I head out. Hey, ngā mihi nui ki a koe, my bro. Yeah, have a good day too. And I'll see you around, my brother. Thank you very much. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. Hey, what's up, Dizzy? I'm from Iran. Love you from when I come to NZ and have a pint with you. Hey, sure, Fizzy Dizzy. A pint. Damn, I haven't had one of those in a long time. I used to go to the Irish bar quite a lot when I was young. I guess. Yo, King Louie, what's up, brother? I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you, it's true. Are you into Korean martial arts films? Oh, bro, I guess the last martial arts film I ever watched was Ip Man. That's about it. Hello from Italy, Morena over there. Oh, it'll be pretty late in Europe, eh? Humanity. Right, breakfast. Oh man, Hi from England. Morning. Or good evening in England, in Ireland as well. Hello from France. Morning Europe. Or good evening Europe, I should say. How tall are you? 182. 184? One of those. Thank you, Big Pac Mac. Big Mac. Thank you very much, brother. Hi from Louisiana. Louisiana. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, what's up, Eric? Thank you very much to Big Miami for the You're Awesomes. Hey, you Big Pac? Cheer, brother. What's up, V-Wagon? You look taller than 6'5". Oh, maybe just the angle. I don't know. Yeah, bro. I've been thinking about those pink bulldog noodles all weekend, bro. Straight up. Where you from, bro? Yeah, my bro. From Aotearoa, New Zealand. I live in Rotorua. So it's the town that smells like rotten eggs, pretty much. 7'2". Oh, hell no. I'd hate to be 7'2". I can't fit in a car. There you go. Let me just eat this and then we'll start. Yeah, this is a pretty late start for me. I normally start around 9:30, but I slept in, I was tired. Still hard to be in some cars. Oh, I bet. Bugger that. You probably have to shit like how Mr. Bean sits in his green car. Yo, morning chef. Thank you very much for the 100 biddies, my bro. How are you, my bro? You're coming down to Rotorua soon? Oh, true. It's funny when I'm in the mini though. Yeah, bro, you be driving with your knees. You ain't gotta wave out with your hands, bro. You just gotta shake your knee and carry on. Just shake your goddamn knee and drive, boys. Yo, he says, is that Sparky? Oh, Spadix, thank you very much for the 3 months, my brother. "100% bro, riding in style. Right, just put the chair on top of the car, bro." Thank you very much, brother Spay. How are you doing this morning? Oh, bro, I slept right at night. I went to bed at around 4 o'clock this morning. Baby's almost better. She's almost over her flu. So I can stop staying up so late and watching her, making sure she's sleeping. Thank you, Shannon and Seabass. Let me scroll back too. Appreciate you guys. And also, Huey Leon. Did I say that right? Going through again. And Huey Leon is again. Thank you, Shannon. Jeez. Hey, morning, Ninja. Thank you very much, everyone, for the gifties. Oi. Got a Maori. You got it right. Wishing the best for your day. Hey, appreciate you, man. You have a good day too, like everyone here. What is it you do? Well, I touch wood in the morning, literally, in the most PG way possible, and it ends up looking like this. Yeah, it ends up looking like that. So this is a commission for someone in the Twitch chat. As I have a meeting tomorrow. No. You better go to sleep early so you're ready for that meeting. Thank you for the rugby ball, the yawning emoji. And John for the cats. And Varen Loof for the roses as well. Are you the one that got gifted 100 subs? When, last month? Yeah, chat went crazy. Oi! Thank you very much, Tyler Earl, for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you very much, brother Tyler. Maori kid as well. I'll eat my apple and then we'll start, I promise. Thank you very much, brother Tyler Earl. Good evening. Are you... I'm hand carving. Majority of the stuff I do here is by chisel. The S in the centerpiece? Yeah, we just chuck a few nostalgic parts in the timber that we'll cut off later on down the line. Have you been to Christchurch? Only once. That's probably the one place where I had the most racist encounters. I'm not even lying. Yo, Chef, thank you very much for the 2 months, my brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Do you sell your mahi? I do, I do. My favourite place down in the South Island, however, is Queenstown. I love it down there, man. Bro, 2 months already is pretty crazy, eh? I feel like you only got here last month, though. Well, in like 2 weeks. Hello from New Jersey. What's up, brother Hector? How are you? Thank you very much, Fast She Duck for the rose. I can hear our daughter, she's awake. Part of the second year, bro. Hard out. You're from New Jersey as well? What's it like in New Jersey? That's where those people filmed that show, eh? Is it Jersey Shore? Thank you very much, Andy. Hey, what up, Otter? It's okay, okay. Thank you, Rory. Long time no see. How you been, brother? So worse than Jersey's. Oh, really? Geordie Shore. Wait, that's those people that go, I'm gonna get me a bird, isn't it? I'm gonna get me a bird tonight. Scotty fucking T. 190, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Scotty fucking Turbo. Hello from North Dakota. Hey, Jim, brother. I think Rami from CG is from New Jersey, but claims to be from New York. Oh, Rami says a lot of things. I do hear the New York accent in the. Who else was on there? Is it Mani? I think I remember her. She was like the big fucking drama queen, eh? And there's that other girl, the blonde one that had a bloody mouth like a male, like just all the shit she would say. Hey, Holly was from the same place as me. Thank you very much, best cook, Sanji, for real. Logging in bed and cuddling with my my cousin's wife. Oh. This guy. Andy MC and Corey, thank you very much for the gift, these guys. You don't know many New Jerseyans? Yo, what up, Blocker? How are you, brother? How is it down south? I'm guessing it's like snowing quite hard down there. I love the fact that you can enlarge your emotes now. That's cool. Yeah, but I think it costs bits to make your emotes large, just to let you know, just to be safe. Thank you, Strumblade, for the gifties, my bro, and Corey as well. What's up, Adam? Okay. Let's go. Let's set up, eh? So once again, we're doing all the notches today. We're doing some more. And if we finish them today, then we can start the other side pretty much. Get off wins. Stacy, never been on it. Get on your real profile and say it. It costs 30 biddies. Yeah, just want to make sure though, you know. Can you make a tiki statue? I'm actually about to do one. This Minecraft music, yeah, I just tried to find something new to play, pretty much. Some new game music to play, my bro, so we're crafting today. I need to cover the sun, because you will barely see it. How we doing? Thank you very much, Corey. Welcome everyone that is new to the stream as well. The piggies. I will always have a high respect for pigs in Minecraft because of Technoblade. He made that avatar cool, in my opinion. He made it cool. Right, we ready? He was a legend, yeah, brother. He's a legend. Okay, let's get ready, eh? How we doing, TikTok? Oh, what's up, Riley G? How are you? Yeah, just trying to find something chill. And YouTube suggested Minecraft music. So that's what we're running today. That's what we're running today. Anyone seen that new Jurassic Park? Is it any good? I heard there's a dinosaur on there that looks like a friggin' walking beluga whale. Kia ora, Taisha. Taisha. Let's get my chisels. Oh, where's this damn skew, bro? I lost it again. I swear I'd be misplacing stuff all the time. Never mind, found it. Alright. Let's go. Hey, what's up, Bassino? Thank you very much for the manawa. Good to see you again. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, I'm actually looking forward to finishing that K-drama today. It's not a weapon, but it looks like a wicked looking Maori club. Hey, yeah, cheer brother, spam. Yeah, so it could be used like that, eh? But I guess in saying that one of my ancestors did use, you know. What's up, brother Low Gains? Cheer, my bro. Thank you very much for the 56 months, my bro. Yeah, damn. Thank you, brother. What was I gonna say? Oh, I forgot what I was gonna say. Geez, what was I gonna say? I forgot. Been becoming unc's been so long, bro. Min, thank you very much, and Jamie as well. I see both of you. What was I talking? Oh, I forgot what I was gonna talk about. Oh yeah, so we do have an ancestor that, you know, used a hook as a weapon, and that would be Maui. Maui Tiki Tiki Ataranga. Obviously the most renowned ancestor to ever use a hook in Polynesian culture, not just Maori, because, you know, he was a individual that helped everyone abroad within the Polynesian triangle, you know. There are a lot of people that say, no, he's only Maori. I was like, you're all shit, you don't even know. That's always my argument to them. But the way it's told through our culture, through Maori culture, is that Maui's jawbone was made out of the... Oh, Maui's fishhook was made out of the jawbone of his grandmother. His grandmother offered hers to him when he went off to fight the sun. And his grandmother's name is Muri Rangaranga Whenua. So she was the one that, you know, used my jaw to create your fish hook, you know. Alfredo, thank you very much for the roses, Alfredo. How are you, my brother? Matthew, thank you very much too, my bro. So we'll get a bit of Whakairo done today. So all the notches that we've opened up is from here all the way to there. So there's a few that we've missed, but we can go back over them and open them back up as well. And we have to add some still too. I'm very well, thank you. How are you doing? I'm good, brother. You know, slightly on the tired side, but, you know, enough to stream still. Always. Is that person the inspiration for the buff guy in Moana? Yeah, so that's Disney's interpretation of Maui. So within, like, is it You're Welcome, the song? So throughout the song he talks about all the feats that he did for, you know, all the people of Polynesia. For, I believe when it came to the coconut, my cousin's partner, he's from Samoa. And he spoke about that story when he killed the eel and buried its guts to make the coconut tree. He goes, no, that's a story we grew up with. But within our culture it was more the sun, the story about the sun, and him fishing up Te Ika Maui, which is the North Island. How many have you made of carvings? Oh, brother, I lost count when I was like 16. Yeah, pretty much, my bro. Sorry. Yeah, I lost count many years ago, my bro. She's been a bit of a long time, I tell you. So I started doing Whakairo, Maori wood carving, when I was 12. 12 years old is when I actually started. Thank you very much, Zen Thing, for the Optimus Prime, my bro. What kind of wood are you using? Got a favourite type? Maybe a few. So this timber here is called Totara. Totara is how you spell it. A native red pine to the country. One of the softest timbers we have. My favourite type of timber, however, is free timber. You know, it cuts way better than one you pay for. Always will be, brother. I know I'm laughing, but I'm actually being honest. Yeah, free timber just cuts a whole lot better, my bro. Have you had a baby recently? Yes, me and my wife had our third, wait for it, daughter. She's about almost 3 months old. That's why so she's got the flu a little bit, just from the cold, so, and my wife is sick too, so I've just been pulling double time on the night shift to make sure she recovers as well as the baby. Like with me, when it comes to situations like that, this is just me, like personal preference, I like to stay up and make sure they're okay. That's just how I've always operated as a father and as a husband as well. I can see you as a girl dad, bro. I get my nails done all the time. Well, they're not done right now. We've watched K-pop Demon Hunters about 10 times. What else have we done? Yeah, probably our second daughter, she's the rough diamond out of the two older ones. She's frickin' a little rough guts, man. Yo, what in a TK? Wait, what did Crochet say? I want to go and have a look because I'm nosy. Is your wife allowed near you while you carve? So obviously what I'm carving right now is I don't carve under tapu, you know? Like traditionally, you know, women weren't really allowed around Whakairo. Because within Whakairo, we carve our ancestors, right? Who are obviously gone. And our beautiful wahine, or the women of the world, are the polar opposite to what we do within Whakairo. As we carve those that have passed on, the beautiful women of the world bring life. And hence, in a traditional setup back in the day, wahine weren't really allowed around Whakairo. But with this is not sacred, this is purely a decorative piece for one of the bros. My wife comes out to say hello, she doesn't come out to watch me carve. But to say, for example, if I was to carve something, say I was carving one of my ancestors, that's when I'd had to change it up. Because it'd be, you know, such a heavy project, physically and mentally as well. I'd make precautions for, you know, I'd sit my kids down because I'm a girl dad and my wife and say, you can't come out whatsoever. So I'd, you know, make sure I do a karakia every day, or prayer, and make sure I'd have water to cleanse myself when I'm done. So it's kind of like those precautions. I won't eat for the whole day until I'm done. What's the longest you've ever worked on a piece? 4 months, but that was when I was a student. In one sitting, we started work at 8 o'clock and we finished at 11:30 p.m. I was absolutely mind fried from that. So although, you know, with Whakairo, you can see me doing it day in, day out. When it comes to, you know, carving our ancestors or a pivotal event in our history, it does take its toll mentally. Like, it does take its toll. I remember when we did that, I pretty much got home and fell asleep straight away. And woke up the next day re-energized to do it all again. K-pop Demon Hunter's Peak. It actually is, bro. I actually love that movie. It's cool. It's the music that's really catchy for me. Thank you very much. Is that Tea Puddin' for the Flame Heart? Joe by the Lone Mountain. How are you? What's up, Chili Willy? I know it's not open. Oh yeah, all good. Is the curing process before? What's that? Or do you just carve the wood as is? Yeah, pretty much. Get the block of wood, shape out the thing that we're going to carve, and run it. What got you into this? So every Friday, back in primary school, we'd have subjects outside of our normal school subjects, right? Just something else to do. And Whakairo was one of them. And, as a curious young fella, I decided to give it a go. I guess the main thing that pulled me to that class was my uncle. My uncle was the teacher, and I was like, hey, what does he do? And that's what kind of drew me to the class, was knowing that my uncle was there. So, giving it a go. And I guess the thing that made me really, really want to do it was all the hardship and all the trials that my ancestors went through. So there's a point in our history that's not taught in schools. When an act of parliament, they passed a law with the crown called the Tohunga Suppression Act. And basically, they outlawed anything within my culture back in the day, right? Not today, although, I feel like certain people on the internet would like to bring it back. They basically outlawed everything within our culture, from the language to, Whakairo, everything. But because our people were so, stand on business, and thanks to Apirana Nata as well, and many other individuals, we still have it today. So that was one of the main reasons why I wanted to start doing Whakairo, because of that reason. Like, as a young fella, hearing those stories, I was genuinely fucked off knowing that. And I say that as honest as possible. I was pissed off that happened to my ancestors. Thank you very much, St. Peter. Thank you. And, my whale. Ariel. Thank you very much for the whale, Ariel. Thank you, brother. Well, sis, I'll say both just in case. So that was kind of the first thing that pulled me to the art form. Or wanted me to, drop everything to do it. And pretty much from there was another point in Maori history where there was a big generation gap. So that's when the world wars came along, and a lot of the people that were supposed to pass it on didn't return home. So I guess those key moments in my people's history is what, wanted me to do this. Like, at the time, 12 years old, I wanted to work in the art department for Blizzard. That was my biggest dream. Or be a zookeeper, or even, become a police officer as well. So those were some of the things I had on my radar in terms of my future. And voice acting was another one that came along after. Thank you very much, brother Marcus. Cheers, my bro. And then from that day when I heard those stories, that's when I said, this is what I want to do with my life. This is what I want to do. I want to basically, follow the path of Whakairo, Maori wood carving. And I have been doing so since I was 12. Would you say you have mastered the craft? Nah, brother. Hell no. Every day you learn something new, my bro. Every day. Every day is a learning day as well, my brother. Like how the way I see it, the things we dedicate our lives to, no matter what it may be, is a bit like a rock in the river, eh? You throw a rough stone into the river, over time it does get smooth and more refined. And that's kind of how I see myself when it comes to, this. There are master carvers out there though. Lionel Grant, Gordon Toy, Clive Fugel, James Rickard, Albert Tipo. Just some of the many that I've, been able to witness. That's so damn adorable. Cheer, my bro. What part of Maori are you from, brother? All of it? Would you ever teach? I am. My nephew. My nephew has shown interest in Whakairo and he asked me if I could guide him. I went, yeah. I just told him I need, commitment from you as well. I just told him, just know when it comes to this, I can be quite strict at times. He goes, nah, it's all good, uncle, I understand. But yeah, I've been teaching him, and he's got a few designs on lock. So just like what my uncle did for me on my first day of carving, we didn't touch a single tool. I told him, meet me at a certain place and we'll talk about it. He thought he was in trouble, but I went, no, we're not picking up tools today. I want to tell you about the history of it that was passed down to me as well. So I did the same thing for him, what my uncle did for me. Oh, did you? Let me go back and have a look. Geez, sorry, brother. Thank you very much, Marcus Adams, for the 52 roses. Daniel O'Brien for the fluffy heart. Boston Burner Brutus for the cat. And the rose. And Marcus Adams with the galaxy. Thank you very much. Sorry I missed that, brother. When I get a bit invested in storytelling, I don't look up much. Thank you very much, Vano. And Jack, thank you very much for the manawa. Where are we? Tell him it's like the Yakuza and you need to take half your pinky off. Oh, I'll probably cry. You should read for audiobooks. Books have been suggested. We did a subathon. We hit a sub goal, and well, the chat has asked me to read the whole Lord of the Rings trilogy, and the books are on the way. So I'll be swapping out nighttime gaming streams for cozy reading streams. Lord knows how long it's gonna take me to finish those damn books. But I'm a man of my word, and I will do it. Yeah. I don't know if we're starting from The Hobbit, because The Hobbit book's in there too, but damn, we'll see how it goes. I'm planning to use my iPad, and I'm gonna go on YouTube and search up fireplace for 5 hours, and I'll place that in the background for 5+ cozy points. I'm trying to find a Gandalf hat local, chat, but there are none. They're all on Amazon. And I don't want to buy one from Weta because they're like $400. Screw that, that's a whole lot of good shopping. It's a redonkulous price. Yeah, so yeah, I'm a man of my word, and I've got to read the whole Lord of the Rings trilogy to the chat. I'm afraid though, there's gonna be some big words in there that I don't know how to say. Thank you very much, brother Jose. Just ask them, bro, to hook you up. I hate doing that, I'm that guy, chat. I don't like using, you know, my name, or I don't even like saying this, my status online to get stuff. Hey, I mean, if it's $1 million to get a house, then yeah, I'll do it, but nah. Nah, not even that. I'd feel bad doing that too. Yeah, I genuinely feel bad doing that as well. Kia ora, Hana. Come through and say, look where your carving's coming along. Tēnā koe. Thank you. Yeah, just trying to get this done. Also, chat, one of the bros actually done a carving for the All Blacks. He done a maripi for them. I was buzzing out seeing his mug. If you don't know what a maripi is, it's another shorthand club that utilises shark teeth. Oh, I didn't know my big head was in the way. Why don't you tell me? There we go. Everything you do is beautiful. Oh, thank you, brother. As long as you know, people enjoy and you know are keen to ask questions about it. That's a YouTube ad. Why is there a YouTube ad on game music? What? Alright, let's carry on. Thank you very much, Drew, for the roses, my bro. Tēnā koe matua. Yeah, I'm feeling a Carlac run through, chat. A Carlac run through for BG3. Oi. Oh, Astrophysics, thank you very much for the 5 bomb, brother. If you did get a gifted sub from the brother Astro, please give him a thank you. Or better yet, glaze him. Glaze him harder than a Krispy Kreme donut. Thank you very much for the 5 bomb, brother. Thank you very much. How are you though, my bro? Hope you're looking after yourself too. There he is. Forgot to sub myself. Oh, brother. You've done enough, my bro. Appreciate the aroha. Okay, we've got some notches there that we need to cut out some more. cleaning up these. How you know, Mason? Kia ora. Hoping to learn while you mahi. Just remember to ask questions, if you get stuck. There's nothing wrong with asking for help. Love the work, brother. I appreciate you, my brother. Yeah, so this is a Twitch chat redeem. Yeah, this is what chat redeems on my channel look like. You get yourself a free carving, pretty much. And that also includes postage. Would love to be able to carve like that one day. Hey, start now, brother. Start now. What's up, Samwise? Start now and take your time, my bro. That's all it comes down to. It's never a race. Well, unless you take a commission and it's due next week, then maybe. I haven't done one of those jobs in a while. Nephew, I need help. I need this carving done before the birthday. When is it? Next week. Oh, that's an extra cost. What do you mean it's an extra cost? Just in case I get some white strands of hair. Hey, thank you, Derpy Foxy. Yo, Zajex, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my brother. BG3 music, indeed. I wear this on my chest. I only played Baldur's Gate because I saw Karlak. And I was like, I have the sudden desire to play BG3. Yeah, I have this desire to play BG3 now. Oh, hell no. Ads on game music, bro. That's cringe. Down, down, down by the river. Yeah, I put all my skill points into craftsmanship, my bro. The S of solitude. What's another iconic childhood reference can we put on the middle section, chat? Because that's all getting cut out once this is all done. So hey, we may as well use it as a nostalgic section. I've got another one. We'll put on Bebo as well. How's your day been? Bro, I started pretty late, my bro. I woke up pretty late. But that's because I've been doing late night stints, making sure mine and my wife's daughter has a good sleep because she's sick. Oh, she's getting over it now, which I'm very grateful for. But normally what I like to do, brother, is just stay up late because my wife's on a bit fluey as well. So as long as she gets a good sleep and my wife does too, I don't mind. I don't mind staying up. That's my, how do I say this? That's my love language. Just to make sure she's okay. Because obviously I love her. I love her so much. Is she all good? Yeah, just the flu. Just the flu, brother. 11 out of 10's craftsmanship with 10 plus charisma. Having a terrible month and your voice just gives me inner peace. What's up? Hey, feel free to talk to me, hey. But if you do want to keep it to yourself, I can respect that too. Just know that within any of the platforms that I stream on, you are more than welcome to open up. Redonkulous. Hey, I like that name. Thank you very much for the 94 flaming hearts, my bro. Redonkulous. Sounds like a Harry Potter spell, eh? Redonkulous. Yeah, she's all good, brother. Genuinely the most calming stream I've ever watched. Oh, thank you, Tyler. I've recently started playing the Hunter Call of the Wild because you know, I do hunt IRL as well. I shot a hare or a bunny rabbit with a revolver the other night. It was quite funny. What are you making, if you don't mind me asking? So we are doing a heimato, brother, or a fish hook. So as you can probably see the shape here, that's it there. This middle section fobbed out a bit there. Section here will get cut out. Hey, what's up, Digital 420? How are you? So this middle section will get cut out once it's all done. The reason why we haven't taken it out yet is because we need that strength within the timber, because if we took it out, our weak point is here. If it was in the vise, you know, and we don't want that to happen. Hey, what's up, Jiggy? Morning. Are you gonna visit Philippines soon? I don't plan on going anywhere for a while. I was gonna go to TwitchCon this year, but because of all the events happening in America, I don't feel safe to go there right now. So, I'm kind of knuckling down. I'm trying to save. Me and my wife are trying to save, and we're looking at buying a house. It will definitely help out a lot with the streaming too, because then, you know, I can do other things. Like for example, say we get our house, you know. Say I have a shed with a sleep out or with a room extended to it. And that's when I'd start going into the other art forms of my culture. Example, stone carving. I'd probably do a subathon to, you know, I don't really do subathons that much. I don't spam them like most streamers do to keep their numbers up. I know it's a very smart idea to do, but when the stream's off, I'm a dad. So I try and, you know, make the most of it while I'm live. But yeah, that's something that I want to venture into once, you know, we get that shed we need. Then we can start doing stone carving. 10 out of 10 would not recommend coming here. But the Super S is nice and tough to... Man, should I just carve one of these, eh? Just carve one of these fully and design it. So this is like Maori's hook. It's like a traditional tool or weapon. So Maori in our culture, or in Polynesian history, I believe, was the only one that ever wielded a fish hook. Like in Maori culture and the stories that we have, it might be different for Jiggy, our kanaka in the chat on our Twitch chat. So Maui's fish hook from the stories within our culture was his grandmother's jawbone. Muri rangaranga whenua. She offered it to him when he went off to face the sun. in order to slow the days down. But like throughout Maori history, no one really, would ever wield any, fish hook of this size. Because we had patu, we had mere, greenstone clubs, we had wahaika, we had kotiate, we had other variations of a shorthand club pretty much that weren't, The closest thing to a fish hook that we would have had was a wahaika. That shorthand club. How do you spell it? Wahaika is how you spell it. Do you hold classes? No, I don't. But the only person I'm teaching right now is my nephew. I would like to work for free. At the moment, I can't really take, apprentices on as, after the stream I live my life as a father of 3 now with my wife. But I am teaching my nephew, and if you can take something from the streams, that will help you and your artistic endeavours. You big word, eh? Feel free to do so. Just make sure you reference me. But yeah, I'm not doing any classes. I'm still trying to, in the process of learning still myself after the carving school. Even though that was back in 2018. But who knows, I might start doing as much as I don't want to though, I might do maybe 1 or 2 tutorial videos for design here and there. My biggest fear though is people that aren't of Maori descent will use it to line their pockets, just like with what happened with the haka. What's probably continuing to happen with the haka, I should say. People that aren't of Maori descent that I've seen calling themselves professional kapa haka tutors, teaching the haka, or trying to, whatever bloody slam pig version they made, and teaching it to other people. Hey, what up, chubby Kiko? Hey, appreciate you joining us today, man. How you been? Long time no see. Is that a loop you're making? It's a hook, so this will come out towards the end. Tattoos they don't know the meaning of? Oh, Samwise. So, speaking a little bit about that, okay. I'm using this opportunity to rest my back. So with the mokos that we have, these. So, in a sense, I personally do not have a problem with people receiving moko or kirituhi to those that aren't of Maori descent. The main thing for me, however, is that I want people to know when they are going to receive these markings is that they know what it's talking about. Like with my arm, it talks about my family, where I'm from, and obviously Whakairo, Maori wood carving. So yeah, just have a good reason. Don't be that guy. Get it for the looks, because I'll probably laugh at you. That's just me, but yeah. To those that actually sit down and do a little bit of research and understanding of it, those people get a lot of respect for doing that. Just saying. Like I will, like even coming down to learning our language too. That's like 100 plus respect from me if you do so. Even like if it's up to you. Like I want to learn certain languages of the world too, but I want to do it properly. I've been alright, just took a break from the internet due to my mental health. Hey, that's good. Good for you. That's good for you, my bro. Love to see it. Where you been? As long as you look after your mental health first, like always, if you have to take a break from the internet, the stream will always be here. Just You know, you don't have to be here 24/8. Yo, thank you very much, Noah, for the rose. Let me go back a little bit. Okay, my phone not letting me scroll back. Thank you very much, full stop. Aram05. Aram05 again. And anyone else? Okay, I think we've caught up. Some Roberto. Someone redeemed 1 million channel points, bro. Actually on the third carving that's been redeemed for 1 million channel points, my bro. Yeah, this is the third time in my channel's history that someone's redeemed it. Sweet, you still at it. Yeah, brother, we'll continue to, you know, go hard as long as I can on streaming. Because of all of you that support me, you know, I can't be that guy and hey, they support me, okay, I'm gonna go on holiday and not stream. That is not the mentality I want to have. What's up, Jimmy's Journey? Morena, how are you? Where are we? What's up, Harry? Good morning. Oh, it's still morning? Oh yeah, another 5 minutes, then we'll be into the afternoon. Yeah, Colin, I'm doing good today, brother. I slept in quite a bit, so I do apologise about that. Yeah, I do apologise about that, but hey, we're here now, and get some work done, eh? I'm still in bed. Oh, bro. I was up late last night. I even did emails, bro. That's the dumb side of streaming, chat. Emails. I tell you. Yo, thank you very much. Oh, what's that emote? Thank you for the silver fern. I'm in bed too. Hey, I'd like to be in bed as well, but hey, this timber's not gonna carve itself. It's great seeing you all again. You too, Chubby Gecko. You too, my brother. Tech Romancer, appreciate you for your $1,000 comment. Even though you didn't do it, it's the thought that counts, my bro. Appreciate you. Kia ora, Unc. Okay, how do I say your name? Love you, man. I really like the lives. Thank you, brother. Bro, what is your emoji name, bro? I want to say it looks like a cross, but then again, I want to say it looks like a fighter pilot jet. I really would, no. I want you to look after yourself. Evie. Oh, is that how you spell it? True. At my desk avoiding emails. Have a good day, mate. Hey, do them, brother. Do them. So you don't have to worry about them later. You do it because you like it. I love it. Do it because I love it. How's jiu-jitsu? Good. I haven't been going to the classes lately because my daughter's classes don't go through the holidays. So it's pretty much just been me and her training. I'm trying to roughhouse her so she'll become, you know, stronger. But I'm telling her, you know, go 100% on dad. Because obviously, that's the one thing with my our second child. She's a roughhead. She's a lot like me when I was young. Yo, what up, Joel? Thank you very much for the aroha. And how come your username has like nothing on it? Kia ora, bruv. Who's that? That is DJ Gump. What's up, brother? Yeah, we're just taking a quick break and talking to everyone within the chats. What's on today's carving? So we've been doing this heimato, this fish hook. I can't find my rasp. I was actually going to switch over to I've got a job due in September for my auntie. It's a paid job, so obviously, you know, I'm going to put my attention onto it. Where are you? At home. In Aotearoa, New Zealand, on the giant petrified stingray in Rotorua that smells like rotten eggs, aka dormant volcano. Yeah. Hopefully you get those belt promotions. Oh yeah, I'll be honest, brother, I'm not really too focused on like the belt stuff. I just enjoy it because it's something physical. I haven't really done anything like physically demanding like that since my powerlifting days, and it's fun. And one of the reasons why I'm doing it is for my daughter too, so she'll be, hopefully I can inspire her and she'll want to carry on doing it. But she genuinely loves doing jiu-jitsu. What's your favorite submission? Gamora. Gamora and is the triangle. I only like the triangle because I got big legs there and out like a light. Got the big thighs, my bro. So yeah. Have you tried a twister? That sounds like it's going towards a dick joke, I'm not gonna lie. Meat spin. Wait, how do you sharpen your chisels? I use a whetstone, my bro. I haven't got a sharpening wheel because I stay in a pretty dodgy area. I'm so glad to hear you doing jiu-jitsu. Oh bro, it's fun. It's more I feel my body getting a bit nimble again. You ain't hot in that jacket? It's winter here. That's why I've got shorts on. Okay. Peace, brother. Gotta drive home. All good, my bro, Drive safe. Take your time. Home is not going anywhere. Alright, should we get back into it? Okay, next break will be a Q&A, alright? So if you have any questions, load them up and get them ready for the next break. I was dancing all alone, watching people get it on with each other. The reason I'm not listening to those types of songs, Chad, is because I'm streaming on YouTube as well. What's your best carving tips for wood in general? Follow the grain, Understanding the grain of the tree is very good and very important. Never cut against the grain. And when it comes to your processes that you have, take your time. There's no need to rush. And don't be afraid to make mistakes, because you can't learn if you're too afraid to make mistakes. That's the only way you can learn and learn new processes. I feel like a lot of people that I've come across in art are too scared to make mistakes, eh? And I'm like, just make a mistake, bro. Just do it, bro. What's up, Exo? Also, chat, have you seen the new tactics that the bots on the internet are doing? The new tactic is quite interesting. I've been getting a lot of DMs from all these bots. The new tactic that these bots are using is a hi, I don't have a profile, as they comment from a profile and saying, but you can add my Snapchat. It's like, bro, I ain't Will Smith, but I can see a bot when I see one. Corey sent me here, sorry I'm so many years late. Hey, shout out to my boy Corey Kinchin. Absolutely love his new manga, my bro. Have you read it? Where do you keep all your carvings? Inside, and then we send them off. I'm sending one off to America this week. Bloody long overdue. Apologies to the bro box boy. Yeah, one's off to America this week. America. At my desk avoiding you. Yeah, do those emails, Kiwi. Do them, my bro. Don't let them fester and build up. I swear, bro, I'd rather run 5Ks than do 10 emails. That shit's hard. Emails for me are like stairs for Po from Kung Fu Panda. And it's not even close. As soon as I see the number at 10, I'm like, oh no, no. How long does it take for you to complete a piece, brother? It kind of depends, my bro. Offline, this would have been done ages ago. Would have been boring though, because I had no one to talk to. Online, yeah, it does take a little bit longer, but the joy I get out of it taking a bit longer is, you know, having people to talk to. A lot of people think, oh, you know, carvers like silence. No, we love to talk, we love the tea. It's like having a good yarn along the way. Having a good tea session. Oh, I've seen you. Hello. Procrastinations. Heading out and keep doing what you're doing. You too, Felix. I will see you on the next one, my brother, whenever you decide to join again, okay? Love you, my bro, and have a good one. Don't be shocked that I say that here, chat. Never be afraid to tell someone you love them, because you might change their day. Alright? And I love my community, so I'm gonna say it anyway. I hate saying that word, but you know, I don't know how else to explain it. Yo, what you up to today, Jiggy? Are you just getting up? Thank you for the perfume, Joey.
Hey, my name's Joey Wheeler. I want to put down my flame swordsman in attack mode.
I've been watching a lot of old school cartoons again, chat. Like my kids were watching this new generation bullshit Beyblades. I'm like, let me show you what real Beyblades looks like, eh? Put on the Blade Breakers. Let me show you what a hyped intro sounds like. Way better. What's up, brother Zach? Yo, what up, Ben? Thank you very much for the... What's that? Mike? Mike Champ. Thank you, brother. Let's Beyblade. Doodle 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 doodle. Doodle 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 doodle. Notches done. Oi! Hey, Pioneers, cheer my brother. Thank you for the 39 months, my bro. Long time no see. Hey, much luck, Pricey. How are you? Australian Bandit. G'day, mate. How you doing? Thank you for the 39 months, Pioneers. How you been, brother? What you been up to? Thank you very much, Adzi and Aussie. Hey, I see you guys. Obviously, Aussie must be from Aussie. And Adzi, appreciate you too. Hope you all enjoyed the TikTok stream as well. Ngā mihi nui for sticking around and watching as well. Yeah, we're just doing a lot of little things today. Like opening up all these notches and cleaning along the way as well. For little bits that we may have missed. And then continuing from there. Where do you get your tools? With my chisels, I've actually had them for a couple of years. So, with this carving school, have you broken any yet? No? No? So with my carving tools, I've actually had them since 2018 is when I first got them. And with this carving school, if you graduate, you get to keep them, pretty much. And I've had them ever since. Whew. Still need a snot rocket counter, man. Thank you, Australian Bandit. Thank you very much, brother. Have you broke any Whakairo yet? Oh, yeah, heaps. Oh, not recently though, like a couple years ago. Curious, what do you increase? What helps with my mood when I'm down? Oh, a number of things, brother. The gym helps me. Going for a walk, you know, going for a hike. But I guess the most powerful people in my life that help, you know, that make me forget a bad day just like that are my kids, my daughters. That's the superpower that you know, I feel all children of the world have. They can make a parent forget a bad day, no matter how bad it may have been. Seeing their smiles, my bro, like even when picking them up from school or just seeing them after I finish a stream is probably one of the best feelings in the world. It's definitely, like, genuinely one of the best feelings in the world, seeing them. So yeah, when they're not around, yeah, those other two things definitely help me for sure. Because the gym's that place you can go to, you know, to go through a lot of pain, but at the same time it helps you grow. Yo, what's up, Lithic Goose? Work is going good, my brother. Good to see you again too in another stream. How you been? Hello to Haru on Kick as well. Kia ora. Welcome into the stream. Yeah, what am I looking at? So we're just going through and cleaning up a few notches right now within the design. Getting fish tanks up and running. Nice, nice. Have you got one of those big ass ones, bro? Hello from Texas, eh? 'Cause all my exes live in Texas. How's it over in there? I know there's some floods going on in Texas, so I hope you're doing okay. Yeah, I hope you're doing alright. It seems like really bad weather always hits Texas, eh? Last time it was bloody snow, eh? Thank you, Malferus, for the confetti gun. Kia ora. I'm just making sure I keep an eye on all the chats. I'm like reading 4 different chats. That's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. Okay, should we carry on? I just wanted to answer that question real quick. I'm up in Dallas, but prayers for all the people struggling in the flood. Oh, is it a different area? Okay. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with the sections of Texas. Down in the south, eh? Oh, jeez. Oh! Powder with the 10 bomb! I saw someone else give too. Yo, Powder, thank you very much for the 10 bomb. If you got one of those, please give the bro a thank you. Oh my gosh, I can't scroll up on this chat, bro. Hold on, everyone else. I saw someone sub on Twitch as well, so I gotta try and say thank you to them too. It was John Minisk for the 2 months. There you go. I see you, brother. All the way from Portugal. So, cheer, my brother. Bro, my daughters love Ronaldo, eh? Oh, our middle child loves Ronaldo. And my eldest likes Messi. They're like, Dad, who do you like? To me, oh, I don't watch that. Thank you very much, Poda, for the 10 bomb, bro. If you got a gifted sub from the bro, please give him a thank you. Or her. Australian Bandit, thank you very much for the Aroha as well. And Mel too. Hi all the way from South Africa. Hey brother, how you doing? Isn't it late there? Anyone been to Korea for a holiday? What's it like there? Obviously I'm not going anytime soon, I'm just curious. Huge fan of you as a person. Keep doing you, man. Wish you all the success in the world. Hey, thank you very much, brother. Hey, that goes for you too, my bro. I hope you're successful in whatever it is that you strive to be in life, brother. And don't forget, eat some good ramen. Nah, I'm going through a ramen phase right now, chat. There's no good ramen places here. So I've been living through my ramen needs on TikTok. I've come across sushi top 2, which is my other favourite food, and Lord have mercy. God damn, boy. They're good. Love from Holland. Hey, Kay. Junk from Auckland. Tēnā koe, Randall. What's the time in Holland? Whereabouts you guys? Yeah, all the good ones are up in Auckland, but I'm in Rotorua. There's no good ramen places in Rotorua. So my solution for that has been the TikTok bulldog noodle recipe, the pink one. That's my favourite. The pink one is so good, bro. Send you some from Uber Eats. Probably get here half eaten. I wonder if people actually do that, eh? Uber from one city to another. That must be a big bill, bro. That must be a huge bill. I wouldn't be surprised if people do that though, you know? Hey, what's up, Josh Hodgins? I'm doing good, my brother. It's been a busy weekend, my bro, with the kids, with the fams and the in-laws. The latest addition to one of my wife's family met her great grandmother yesterday, and she bawled her eyes out.
My kids were funny though. Like the baby's older sisters, they go, "Did Nan cry for us when we were born?" And because the grandmother is so straight up, she goes, "No, I didn't." So like, oh, okay. They're like, "Dad, how come Nan didn't cry for us when we were born?" Oh, I don't know. Maybe because your fella's little sister is the Milky Bar of the family, maybe? Yo, Scooby-Doo. Oh, here, let me try my best Scooby-Doo laugh. Hey, Waggy. Thank you, Scooby-Doo, for the Optimus Prime, brother. You carving wood as yeah, brother. This is what I've been doing full time for many years, my bro. Rate my Scooby-Doo laugh there, Scooby. I did it for you, my bro. There we go. Amazing. Cheers, brother Scooby. How are you, my bro? Where you from? What's your favorite tool? Probably this. My mallet. I've had this mallet since I became a student at the Wānanga Whakairo Aotearoa, New Zealand Maori Arts and Crafts Institute back in 2015. And I've had it ever since. This was my tutor's. He was getting rid of it. And I said, no, I'll have it. Eastern Kentucky. Yeah. So you're from the Colonel Sanders part of the woods, eh? Yeah, I've had this mallet ever since. So I've carved meeting houses with it. Done many, like, been a part of many big projects where I've used this. Carved many things in between as well. And if there was ever something that I would like to take with myself, when you know, it comes to the end of my days on this planet, it'd probably be this. I'd probably want to take this. Why? Because it's mine. That's the only thing I'd love to take. There's my mallet. Yeah, this simple block of wood means a lot to me. Yeah, brother, it's been worked definitely, as you can probably see. Like a fair section of it has been used quite a lot, but yeah, man, used it to mold, design, everything, brother. What's up, Taz? Alright, let's open these up, eh? This isn't even bloody locked in properly. I think after the stream 2 chat, me and my wife are going to finish our K-drama. I told her not to finish it without me. How old is the mallet? When did he make it? back in 2010 is when he made their mallet. And then it got passed down to me in 2015. So yeah, it's pretty old. Who made it? My tutor. My tutor made it. It was his mallet and he was going to make a new one. And he goes, oh, I don't know what to do with this one. And I said, I'll have it. Because I didn't have a mallet yet. Because everyone had made theirs already. And he goes, oh, okay. Yeah. So I think he appreciated that. So I told him that it still has a number of years in it. So I'll use it. And I've had it ever since. Alright. How long have you been working on this? I'll be honest, brother, I've lost track, eh? I never keep track, my bro. I just, yeah. Do it, brother. I just do it and go on to the next one, my bro. I might actually go inside and get a water soon, chat. Get and feel my voice getting a little bit cracky. Get a bit more emphasis on our middle ridge too when you open these up. And we're good to go. Yep. Hey, what's up, crying emoji and party face emoji? What's up, brother? How you doing, bro? Used to spend a lot of time here during the pandemic times. Glad to see you doing well. Hey, what's up, Yori? I'm doing good, brother. Yeah, we're still going, my bro. Obviously, you know, times have changed since the pandemic. Not so much people join the stream these days, but you know, there are still those that enjoy the stream, so I'm grateful that we can continue to do so, my bro, and share with the world pretty much. How you been though, brother? I hope you've been looking after yourself since last time you tuned in. Here we go. So we've done all of here, all that section there. Hello sir, good morning, sending love from Malaysia. Kia ora, my bro. Okay chat, let me just go and get some water, eh? One moment. Okay, song. Oh, bro, this is just Baldur's Gate. What's up, kitty cat? How you? Alright, guys. Just a little something from me. YouTube. I'm gonna finish up the YouTube stream, okay? Your car's leaking oil, bro. That's been there for like ages. If you ever watch the old clips and you'd see that silver Evo, it was that. And I've not seen that car in years. Pretty much. I remember taking it to the mechanic to get the oil leak checked, and they checked it and went, "Oh, we can't do it." I was like, "Oh, are you not a mechanic?" They went, "No, we can't do it." I was like, "Oh, okay." Thanks for sharing. Hey, all good, kitty. Always. I'm just happy to share.